You see what I got though? Small tire.
Yeah. Is this
We're
micro. Near Vince's house.
Almost crashed into a tree.
And a Mustang?
Oh,
An
no.
Hellcat.
No.
Same
Oh
shit.
no, he's a Mustang driver, so you know he's gonna crash into some poles, some trees, some crowds on his way here.
What listen you? What did he do to you?
I think I've been owning my Mustang for about 2 years now, going on 2 years, so I haven't crashed into any crowds yet. Not yet.
You had Snake.
When you need to, bro, you don't know what you're missing out on.
Crowds, some of them.
I mean,
It'd be awesome to have some blood in the front of that Mustang.
That is so violent.
Each out the way.
who the?
Oh, did I hit you?
No, you didn't.
I looked at my screen on my in the middle of my dash. The meter didn't start beeping until I hit you. It was like beep 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 beep.
See the blood in your car?
Yeah, what the heck? There's so many cars over here to freak house money.
Yeah,
Oh, never mind.
I can fix that blood. Let me just fix that real quick.
Cool. Like my
Don't
car?
run this man over.
I'm gonna run down
You
the
like
street.
my small tire car?
So what you bringing to the small tire? That's what you bringing?
No, I'm not racing.
Yeah, I'm
Is
definitely.
gate gonna open or not?
It
No?
open.
Gate?
Oh yeah, definitely open. Open for me.
You're going the wrong way, by the way.
Am I?
Okay, you need to stop right there.
You better Hussein Bolt for you on you up. That was on him. He had bad brakes.
nice.
But alright.
Yeah, I'm a lot.
All these motherfuckers damn. Alright.
The what?
I'm your neighbor.
No.
I'm your only neighbor, Green.
I can't hear you, bro.
Do you have a kill everyone button?
Nigga, what?
No, don't
Wait.
don't do that. Be fucking lit.
No.
That is
Flop, I'll be
I don't
honest.
die. I'm multiple.
Oh, it's
sir.
the button right next to the
Go
break.
back, go back, Penguin.
It's
He
the
has
button
a
right
ball.
next to the what?
Ooh.
Hey, Mijo, watch out, Mijo.
Oh, okay.
You got something swinging down there.
Hey, yo, look at
Yo.
No, it's
Stay
face of a horse.
this nigga be knowing. This nigga be knowing.
Motherfucker. Fuck you, bitch.
Hey, I see you, Snake. Right out.
Alright, you lead the way, Cleater.
Okay,
Whoa!
I got you.
What the hell was that?
Yo, I just got lost.
I'm just trying to follow righteous.
I might have to put my vest on this.
I don't know where I'm going.
Man said the skyline making him
I
hate
wanna
this
go
car.
we got the same wheels on our Audis, bro.
Hey,
What the fuck are you?
Stop looking at me like that.
No camera cook.
Dang, why you just put something like that?
Yo, I ain't your jelly donut. That core support.
Alright.
Alright, let's get this shit going.
Yeah, guys, if you have a registered car
Hold on.
for small tire, pull up to the cone. If you're not on the list, if you're on the list, don't pull
Yeah,
up.
Insanity, you hear?
Insanity.
You hear that, Insanity? Good. Alright.
If you're on the list, don't pull up.
Make sure you do the rules and all that.
Flashlight, if you jump, you're out. You can cross, you're out. You can negotiate before you stage. You can negotiate car lanes to hit whatever, how you want to do it. But as soon as you stage, it's on. It's heads up. It don't matter. I don't care.
The cone.
If you're not on the list, get to the cone.
What?
Nah, but
why you running away like that?
You're not on the list though, weirdo.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so
Alright, got it.
Kai,
Got it.
that's your name, right? And yeah, DeSantis or whatever the fuck it is.
The white around
I
your
already
mouth.
said it,
Oh,
ho.
everybody fucking says that now.
You
Oh my
suck.
God.
The white around your lip.
You both, all three of y'all suck. All three of y'all. All three.
Already said. You get it.
By the way,
Pull up more.
by
Slept like a little baby. Comfort.
Yo, Kai, you good, bro?
Is he snoring, bro? Is that he's snoring, bro? Somebody wake him up. Somebody wake him up. Somebody wake that dude up.
Yeah, I'm
I
here.
think
Dang, well, he
I think
need
you
to
forgot how
Bro,
to.
I'm
Damn,
sorry,
bro.
but you already lost.
You lost, bro.
I
Sorry.
think we got to turn the
Chase,
car
Chase,
on.
Chase is not a race.
You
Get it?
gotta be when you pull up to that line, baby. You feel me? You gotta be ready.
Got to.
We bought
Wait.
for the first.
No, there's also another rule. When you're ready, turn your lights off.
Yep.
Yeah, headlights off.
Hey,
For Mustang.
Mark Lamb.
Mark.
Man, we really need a notchback.
What we need?
Whoo! I know that thing.
I got a baby and a.
I got all my money on banger.
But,
I got all my money on
my
banger.
money.
Watch where you going.
Ooh, I told you, right lane, where my Monopoly money? I want my Monopoly money right now.
Right lane by a Greyhound and 3 football
Wait,
teams.
what? Banger was right. Third
Really?
race, Immortal and DeSantis, or however you pronounce that shit.
We got ketchup in this house.
Immortal son.
Just call him Born.
Who's GT? Oh,
Yeah, I already did.
Oh,
Hey Snake, don't worry, I got the notch on there. No boy.
What was that?
are you serious right now?
Yeah.
Damn.
I don't think he can hit.
I'll prep.
That's like.
It's simple.
Damn.
See you later.
Right lane.
Ah, boy.
He was.
That's like.
Wait, what?
Those look like trucks.
Yeah, but
Right lane.
Right lane.
You getting left lane or right lane?
Bro, if he drops his fucking flare, bro.
That's
You
a
serious?
test.
Tony, you were. I swear if he drops anything explosive.
If he starts shooting, bro, it's a little bit. There you go. Right there.
That's
Alright,
right.
Terp's good.
What are you talking about?
Sheesh.
When did that car get so much faster? It's not.
Left lane, left lane,
Left lane. Bob, you can do it.
And you're rooting.
Oh, that thing right there would take the Chevy. Damn, Brooks.
did he fix Banger's
No.
What
Oh my
the hell
god.
happened to him?
You hit the bicycle.
Was that
If you hit it again, you're just out.
You got luck, bud.
Alright, so what's this here? The final race?
They're running again.
Yeah.
They're running
Okay.
again.
They're both good.
Alright, here we go. Tesla.
Damn. 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 Damn.
He hit it
Oh, he hit it again.
He kept going.
That's like a tag.
Can I get some
Oh fuck! I got Rex again. You can't fuck it. And I'm leaving.
Fuck. Can we get some prayers?
And I'm leaving.
What if I hit the bike?
No, it's only, trust me, my car is clapped. Trust me, every fucking time.
Alright, bro. Alright, here we go. Tesla. Well,
Oh my god.
I mean, it's up to you guys. Do you want to run it again, or do you want to take the win banger?
I'll run it again, I'll be fair.
Alright, here we go. Okay, Tesla.
Cross?
I'm pretty sure banger
Banger
cross.
cross.
Banger
I'm pretty
cross.
sure it's
Yeah,
cross.
Yeah.
Thing
I
was
hit
right in front of him.
Cost me and stuff.
I was like, wait, is he really in front of him like that?
That win by default.
They're good.
Alright, here we go. Tesla. Oh my god, voodoo.
Was Voodoo sleep?
Nigga
Left
snoring.
lane.
I'm.
Yeah?
Well, they're good.
We're doing test
You
drive.
ain't even have a car.
Are you gonna do test light or not?
Yes.
Okay.
Tesla.
Oh no! Oh no! Give him a little
I'm
room.
pretty sure that I'm more cross.
I don't think so.
Oh no.
Yeah,
What?
What?
Wait a couple more minutes to be it.
Oh, yeah.
Go show car. You know.
You're good, bro. Don't worry about it.
The knock.
Started.
I would never call no one a Popo Camaro.
Yeah.
Cleater
Let me get
is 6.
Yeah, I forgot I got it up.
Let me get some comms. Can every?
Come on.
That was a nice burnout.
Y'all gotta give
Bro.
me a F.
That's like.
That thing took
Oh shit! Oh wait! Oh, he pushed at the end.
I
there.
lagged.
Yo, who had it? Left lane?
That was
Right
both of
lane,
y'all.
right
Right
lane,
lane.
right lane.
Yeah, that's not a time. Just because it rhymes with your name doesn't mean it's a time.
No. I mean,
Yeah, I'm good.
Aye, that's like.
Dang.
Ooh, he swerved.
green, I call
That
you.
thing said yippee.
Yeah, that's right lane.
You heard mine. Oh, daddy.
I can't see.
Daddy.
He left him by a mile.
It's not even correct no more. It's just
I got a
white.
sponsor, my boy.
No, I'm there. I'm there.
I'm here.
Pull up a little bit.
Go up right, just like yeah.
All right, baby boy. Let's get it.
All right. Touch slide.
Oh my damn.
Go away, Snake. Stay away from me. Stay away.
Wait a minute.
Yeah,
Wait a
let's
minute.
go.
Wait a minute. In the intersections, be the fucking.
Alright, I'm
so bad you crash?
Hey, his car's right in the middle of the fucking room.
Oh, somebody had a freaking Cobra
Wait,
jet?
why is my shit? Yes.
Just the race event over. Perfect. Very well.
Who's Kaji?
Touch slide.
Come on, Cobra jet.
That was the slowest launch I've ever seen in my life.
No. Wait, the Mustang man, come on.
Oh shit!
Oh,
Cobra jet.
what a race. Best race of the night.
That was a
Come on,
good
best
ass
race of the night.
That was a good ass race.
Right
Best
lane.
race of the night.
Woo!
Bro,
Almost did.
almost wanted to, yeah,
All right, clear.
Alright, that's like.
That man's headlights so long.
Oh wow.
Hey, Chino.
Left lane.
I got it. Well, oh,
Oh no.
Damn, left
you
lane.
got out
I
on
got a
the
bad launch. I got a really bad launch.
Yeah, that was left
Damn.
lane all the way.
Oh my god.
Yeah, that was a
Why
little
would you jump in front of me like that, fool?
Oh, I was prepared to get hit.
Yeah, fool.
15 minutes to shake you 50% on car insurance.
What in the world did you just even say?
Oh, that's not it. Tesla.
Oh.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little baby. Go
No.
to sleep,
He
little
left.
baby.
He left a second sooner.
Mm,
Go
Yeah.
to sleep.
Tesla.
Oh wow.
Damn. Randall
Was it
speed.
left lane?
Yeah.
Hell no,
What was that?
What the
right lane.
What you mean?
I'm not gonna lie. When Clear chose that Shelby, he chose the really.
Well, yes, thing I was telling you, I Tesla.
God damn.
Oh my god, I
Clear?
think he 60 foot still came around.
Yeah, he came
What the hell
around by
do you
Litty.
have in that truck for you to win every
Coyote,
top
bro.
race?
God, I started pulling.
That's like.
Oh, I was sleeping.
You should have just stayed asleep. Damn,
Bro, I
dude.
was looking away.
That boy was drowsing, bro.
Nah, that was run it back
He
right
was
there.
dozing off. Damn.
Oh, I want to run that shit back. If I got a better launch, oh my god.
What do we?
That car's
Wait,
fast
Tom.
as crap, dude. Green.
What about come?
That's like, oh,
Ah.
damn, green.
That was,
Your
yeah, that was
shit,
bad launch.
your shit just bogged there.
This shit's
They
been
did.
off the line.
I look for it though.
They're lined up. Test light.
Yeah, I'm gonna run out your life.
Oh my god.
Damn.
Yeah.
Left lane.
Don't run out my life like my father did me.
Gaslight.
Small tire
Right
for the
lane.
win. Small tire for the win. Now,
But you
who's
still
slow
could drive
again? Who do
Demon
I
Hawk,
need to
right?
stay in my lane again?